Over 25 days since the rape and murder of Abhaya, and more details, explosive allegations come to the fore on the cover-up and conspiracy by both the hospital and the authorities. On one hand, you have Abhaya's parents, who were a part of the protest last night, accusing a senior police officer of attempting to bribe them, essentially attempting to suppress the case by hurriedly cremating the body of their daughter after the rape and murder came to light. And on the other, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who's been arrested by the CBI, had shot off a letter seeking renovation to take place right next to the crime scene a day after the crime took place.
Outrage over RG Kar Hospital rape and murder mounts as new allegations come to light. Participating in the protests seeking justice for Abhaya, the parents accused a senior police officer of trying to bribe them after the incident came to light. The TMC denied the charge.
যদি তাদেরকে টাকা পয়সা দেয়া হয়েছিল ইত্যাদি পুলিশ দিয়েছিল ধামা চাপা দেওয়ার জন্য এরকম একটা ভিডিও যাচ্ছে তার পাশে আবার আরেকটা ভিডিও এসেছে যেখানে বাবা মারাও এই রকম একটা অভিযোগটাকে অসত্য বললেন এবং তারা বললেন এটা মিথ্যা আমরা কিন্তু আমাদের মেয়ের জন্য একেবারে তাড়াতাড়ি যে মেয়ে আমাদের মধ্যে নেই তার জন্য বিচার চাই
TMC even posted an old video of parents where they call bribe charges a lie.
একটা প্রচার হচ্ছে বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে পুলিশ প্রশাসন থেকে নাকি আপনাদের কোনো আর্থিক টাকা নিয়ে এসে দিয়ে
কে বললো এই কথা
ধামাচাপা
কিভাবে বললো এটা
এইটাই তো হচ্ছে টিভিতে
কিভাবে বললো আপনারা আমাদের এই সম্বন্ধে কথা বলার কোনো দরকারই প্রয়োজন কি আছে কারণ কোনো ঘটনাই ঘটেনি
ছি
আমরা কাউকে কিছুই বলিনি
তাহলে এটা পুরো সম্পূর্ণ একদম মিথ্যা গল্প
মিথ্যা গল্প বানিয়ে একটা শুরু করেছে
India Today has accessed a letter revealing that the hospital's principal ordered renovations near the site of the crime, fueling suspicions on a calculated cover-up. On Wednesday, anger boiled over as hundreds took to the streets, switching off their lights in a symbolic protest. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose joined the protest by switching off Raj Bhavan's lights and lighting a candle in solidarity. In Cooch Behar, violence erupted during the Reclaim the Night protest. Clashes broke out when a protester was allegedly assaulted by Trinamool Congress workers, triggering a police crackdown. Thirteen protesters, including women, have been arrested. Police have been deployed across Cooch Behar to maintain peace. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's bring in Suryagni Roy for more details on the Suryagni. On one hand, you have the parents alleging last night that there were attempts to bribe them. The Trinamool Congress in response has put out an old, undated video in which the parents are heard saying there was no attempt to bribe us. But even as you're seeing this back and forth, and unfortunately the Trinamool Congress even choosing now to question the parents' version, is there any attempt to actually investigate what Abhaya's parents have alleged here?
Well, Akshita, yesterday when we were at Arjikor and, the protests were happening, the symbolic protests were happening, the parents of Abhaya were present over there. That is where the father, when he was speaking, he stated that on that fateful night when the deceased's body had already reached the residence of the family, he named DC North Kolkata Police, Deputy Commissioner North Kolkata Police, had allegedly, wanted to give them some money. Now the question was that why was that money being offered, or what was the reason of, giving that money to them? But, that clarity is still not there. The parents never spoke on it as of now. Secondly, this allegation, when it came out, it was a major shocker, and since today morning a video was extremely viral of the family where they were stating that no such offer was given to them by the Kolkata police. That's the mother and the father I'm talking about. Now, when we tried to verify the video, we realized that it's from mid-August. Sometime in the afternoon, the Trinamool Congress did a PC wherein they said that their hearts are all out for the family. They do not want to comment on any of the allegations that the family has made. However, they stated that even this particular video is also out on social media, where the family is claiming that no such offer was made to them, and it's completely bizarre. So there are these two claims by the same parents. Now, as you've mentioned that it's the CBI who's investigating this particular case, and now they have to see which one of the claim is actually correct. Back to you.
Absolutely. The need of the hour, no doubt, is for an investigation into these claims, because if they're true, extremely serious and truly incriminates the Kolkata police for a cover-up. Thanks very much, Suryagni, for joining us with those details. The other aspect of really the attempt to cover up, or the alleged attempt to cover up, is on the part of the RG Kaur Hospital. And we've been telling you that here on the India Today, especially details of how there were attempts to float the suicide theory with the parents. Now we've accessed a letter which confirms that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh also ordered the renovation of the hospital a day after the rape and murder took place, which thereby essentially ensured that the entire area is tampered with, compromised. What was the tearing hurry for this renovation? So let's run you through the string of allegations against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and why there are serious allegations against him of attempting a cover-up. First, as I've mentioned, he approved renovation near the crime scene on August 10th, shooting off a letter to the Public Works Department saying there's urgent work that needs to be done at a time when a crime like this has taken place just right next to the renovation site. He, of course, peddled the suicide theory to Abhaya's parents, claimed to them via the assistant superintendent that their daughter had perhaps in all likelihood died by suicide. And obviously, again, the hospital administration will be pulled up for that. He was the principal. Didn't communicate at any point, didn't even bother meeting Abhaya's parents while they were in the hospital. He's the principal of RG Kaur when the incident took place. At no point did he meet with them, and Abhaya's parents have confirmed this too, that they were kept waiting, and there was no sort of attempt by Dr. Ghosh to meet with them. But beyond this also, there's also an accusation that the principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, at that point delayed informing cops after the body was found, and this led to questions about what really happened in that time frame from when the body was found to when the cops were informed. What was the hospital administration attempting to do? What was Ghosh trying to cover up? He's been accused also of several corruption cases and running a racket in the hospital, particularly with unclaimed dead bodies in the mortuary of the RG Kaur Hospital. He's been accused of selling those as well. And then there's the allegation of financial misconduct during his tenure as principal, of accepting bribes even from students for going ahead and helping them pass. And this is something that Abhaya's parents have also spoken of, saying that she knew about this kind of a racket taking place. The CBI, of course, has arrested him in these cases of financial misconduct, and all the details that have come in on the disproportionate assets that he seems to have gained while being the principal of the RG Kaur Hospital.